Hello guys, ladies, gentlemen, welcome to the channel of the Italian guy. Today, tortillas. I made some tortillas a while ago. I used the almond flour, but I didn't like them because when I cooked them, they became really too dark. So today I used the coconut flour, not the grated one, the coconut flour, the powder. And I have to say that I'm really satisfied of the result. Did I tell you to subscribe to my channel? This is the signal, and you can click the button underneath the video if you like. My channel is focused on traveling, my main passion. I'm going to Morocco on January, so if you have already visited this country, I accept suggestions. And ketogenic diet, even though I don't like to call it diet because it looks like you have to follow this lifestyle, so to say, for a period of time, and I call it in Italiano alimentazione. That means way of eating. So I will definitely say keto is a way of eating until the end, so you can remain young and healthy. But I don't want to talk too much. I want you to follow me in the preparation of the coconut flour tortillas. So to make our delicious keto tortillas, we can begin with 60 grams of coconut flour, the powder one, not the grated one. Then we add the magic ingredient, the psyllium husk, 12 grams, to make the dough elastic and bind like the gluten one. Now we add some salt to taste. Yeah, another bit of salt. I like it not salty, but with a little bit more of salt. Now we mix the dry ingredients to make the psyllium husk and salt blend together with the coconut flour. Yeah, and then to squeeze some, maybe some lumps that could be formed, because the coconut flour is like a sponge. It really absorbs a lot of water and humidity. So it's better to smash all the lumps if they are. Now we add the extra virgin oil. Oh no, warm water first, not hot, warm. Yeah, 240 milliliters of warm water. And now we can add the extra virgin oil, 15 milliliters or less or more, it's up to you. Yeah, I will speed up the video. With a spatula, we can see how the psyllium and the coconut flour are absorbing the water like sponges, so that the dough becomes to be formed and detaches from the bowl. Yeah, we put it on a silicone mat, and we just knead it a little bit, and you can see that it's not sticky. It must not be sticky. The silicone mat is clean, you see? The dough is being formed. Okay, so just after a few kneading, we can just leave it to rest for a while. I would say 30 minutes, or even less if you want, in the cling film. After this period, you can, I will divide it in 4, because I want to make smaller tortillas, but of course if you are to make a bigger one, you can just split it in 2. So this time I didn't use any cling film because the dough was not sticky. And be sure to have some powder. You can use psyllium husk, xanthan gum, or the same coconut flour. You can see in this case I use the coconut flour, so that you can dust both the silicone mat and the dough itself. Do it frequently if you see that the dough is sticky. I have to say that this is a task I don't like at all because I'm never able to make a perfect shape. You see, so anyway, I use the round plate, as you can see in a while. Yeah, to cut the round shape. That's it. Should be easy peasy. And yeah, here is our coconut tortillas ready to be cooked. Just put some oil, or you can use butter, or you can use lard, and with a napkin spread the fat evenly inside the pan and wait for the pan to be hot enough before putting the tortilla inside. In my case, 3 minutes for each side, and then the tortilla was ready. Be sure that the water evaporates, otherwise the tortilla will be sticky, you know, when you chew it, and we don't want this. We want our tortillas to be perfect. Okay, yeah, the pan is hot enough. I can lay down the coconut tortilla. Yeah, look at the elasticity and the bindness of the dough, does not crack. I still have to improve. You can see there is a dent in the tortilla. I really don't like this task of stretching the dough with the rolling pin. I have to buy a tortilla shaper, those round thing that are almost automatic. You put the dough inside, you close the lid, and magically you have the round tortilla. Yeah, you can see that is almost done. Okay, I have already done one. And here, now we are going to fill it. What is your favorite filling? Let me know in the comments below. I really would like to know your favorite fillings. This case was some Italian rockets, previously dressed with extra virgin oil. Then I used some pork hot dogs. Yeah, 87% pork meat. Yummy! I'm going to wrap it and I'm going to taste it. That's it. Now I will taste it. Of course, you can still taste the back taste of the coconut flour, but it's overcome by the filling you put in. In this case, I chose how do you call hamburger, hot dogs, chicken hot dogs. No, sorry, pork hot dogs, 87% pork meat, not separated mechanically. Be careful when you read this on the ingredients on the label. Don't take them because it's all the leftovers of the meat. So take just pure pork meat, pure chicken meat, and whatever. Yeah, so that's it. Subscribe to the channel, please. I really thanks so much the over 600 subscribers. I'm aiming to 1000, so I need your help. If you like the video, share it with your friends and help me to grow. Any comments, suggestions, criticism, the box below, the comment section. I will welcome to read you and to reply you. See you next time. Bye.